Hi, I'm Craig Grant and this is Cobweb Maths. Today in this video we're going to deal with a rectangle, the area, the perimeter, the length and the width. And we're going to look at area and perimeter separately for a start, and then we're going to do a combination question where we're going to deal with area, perimeter, length and width. Thank you. Right, over here we have a rectangle. We know it's a rectangle. It's got these angles here, are right angles. The lengths of the opposite sides are equal, and those two lengths are different. That's the width and that's the length. And then we have associated formulas. The triangle perimeter, that's the distance around the outside. We've got a width there and a width there, so there's two widths plus two lengths, right? And we can factorise that, so we have the width plus the length in brackets times 2 will give us the perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle area is just the width times the length, which is WL. That's the second equation. With these two equations, if we know two things, we can find the third, right? And this equation here we can transform to this one here. So if we divide that side there by 2, we'll get W plus L, which is P divided by 2. That's a key equation. Now what I've done is I've made a table up. Now if the area is 12 meters squared and the length is 2 meters, the width will be what? It'll be 6 meters. Right? Because 2 times 6 is 12, and meters times meters is meters squared. So if we had a rectangle which was 3 meters long and 5 meters wide, then the area would be 3 times 5 is 15 meters squared. And if we had a rectangle with an area of 20 meters squared and it was 4 meters wide, we would divide 4 into 20 and we would get 5. It's 5 meters. Now there is a relationship triangle with area at the top, length and width there. The area is equal to length times width. The width is equal to the width, area divided by length. The length is equal to the area divided by the width. And those are key things that you should know. Right, we'll flip over and we'll look at the combo question now. Now, this will look quite hard for a start. A rectangle has an area of 30 meters squared and a perimeter of 34 meters. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. Alright, first step is extract the information. Alright, so you know the area is equal to the width times the length, and that has to be equal to 30 meters squared. Right? That's the first piece of information. The second piece of information is this: the perimeter is equal to twice the width times the length, which is 34 meters. I'll put a meter there. So if you halve that, you get the width plus the length is going to be 17 meters. So what we're going to do is we're going to do I've written down check and guess, but I think it should be the other way around, guess and check. So you write down that W times L is equal to 30, and you're looking for two numbers multiplied together to give you 30 and added together to give you 17. So you just go through the factors of 30. The factors of 30 are 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10 and 5 times 6. And you're looking for a pair of factors will add up to give you 17. Well, here's 2 plus 15 is 17. So the width of this particular triangle is 2 meters, and the length is 15 meters. and we can check it out. That we want the area, it's 2 times 15, which is 30 metres squared, which is there. We want to find the perimeter. We add those two together and we'll get 17, and then we double it. And that'll be 34 metres. So it all works out. And we're done.